Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 3 of my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series for October 2022. Today's sketch is actually one that they're using over on the Christie's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches for October 2022, and it is one by Sarah Scraps, and it calls for a large circle, it looks like, and then down one side maybe a photo mat with pictures, 3 photos down the side, and then a larger title, and then some journaling access or a pocket page on one side, and then some journaling down below, and then flowers and the date scattered around. It's the starting point, right? And you guys know, if there's something about a sketch that really draws me in, I will follow it to a T, but if not, then I kind of very often do my own thing, but it's a great starting point. And I encourage you guys to do that as well. If you see something in the sketch that appeals to you, do it, use it, let it inspire you however you want. But if nothing is appealing to you, use it as a jumping off point. The big round circle in the background looks like it might have some mixed media. You guys know I don't do mixed media. So what I decided to do was I pulled in this piece of paper because it has little circles on it. I know, easy, simple, yeah, and I'm going to use this for my background. I'm not going to cut a circle out of it because it's got this like square pattern along with it, and I'm just not going to. I'm just going to leave it like this, trim it down a little bit on the edges, and border it with this darker cardstock that I pulled in from my stash. I pulled in this darker one because this stripe page from my kit actually has this darker brown in it. And so I'm going to use this piece. I'm going to cut it down, and I'm actually going to use it as a photo base here to put my photos on. So this is where I'm starting, and with the papers I have my 3 photos already cut down to 3x4. I pulled in this alphabet to create my title. It's the one with the little bit of gold, the wood grain with the little bit of gold on the edges. I pulled in some of the Heidi Swap pieces, just 3 little sayings on there. I pulled in the other half of that bling flourish. Of course, I pulled in the chipboard again. I want to try and get some more of this used up. I pulled in the stickers again, and the tabs, and then I pulled in these stickers as well. And then I have this whole conglomeration of stuff around me that if I need something, I'll pull it in. Even if it's not in my kit, I'll still bring in whatever, because I am making a fairly good dent into the papers and embellishments that I have added in. And I've really only had to pull some additional cardstock in at this point, and some other additional papers in, but that's it. So I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and I will encourage you to go over to the Facebook group for Christie's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, or you can search out the playlist that's on there. It's hashtag 30DSCBL 10. And that will bring you up to the most recent round of 30 Days of Sketches. And you can play along if you like, and you will find tons of inspiration on there. Guys, people are going crazy with these sketches because this time around, all of the sketches were designed solely for this, or pulled in with special permission from the creators just for this 30 Days of Sketches number 10. Anyway, guys, let me show you a close-up, and I will be back in just a second. Okay, friends, I am done. What I have left over are the 2 offcuts of the background paper, and those will go into my scraps until I'm done with the kit. I have a small piece of this and then a larger piece of this, but I used the other 2 sheets in their entirety, with the exception of that little cut off. I did pull in some enamel dots and flat back pearls and some bling, and I used all of those. I pulled in this alphabet again to create my title. I pulled in these bows, and I'm just plugging away at them, using them just as fast as I can, but I don't want to use them just to use them. I did pull in the washi tape with the butterflies and used a couple more pieces again. I did pull in a tab from this sticker sheet. I did pull in, I did not use this one. Sorry guys, I thought I did. I pulled in a tag from here. I pulled in a tag from here. And then I pulled in a tag from here, plus a couple of these little dots to embellish the tags that I had. And here is the layout that I created. Very simple one. This is the day 27, and like I said at the beginning, it had a circle background, but I kind of went off script a little bit because I used a pattern paper that had circles on it, but I did not create a full circle. This is what I'm talking about. When you take a sketch and make it your own, this is how you do it. The circle did not appeal to me, so I pulled in this paper with the circles on it. The original sketch had lots of flowers, and I really didn't. This is photos of my puppies from December, and I didn't want to put a lot of flowers on it. So I just layered up some sentiments and tags with some bling and butterflies randomly, and just put my title there. The title is the same as in the sketch with the long title here. It called for something over here, and it just didn't work for me. I didn't put anything else over here. I felt with the butterfly right there, we're good. And it's okay that it's a little over to the side. This cluster here kind of balances it out for me. And so I'm okay with having this without anything on it. Anywho, I used quite a bit of embellishments on here as far as like enamel dots and bling and flat little tags. And there's the little chipboard pieces there and there. And then the little tag that I had there. And so it works with the background paper. I'm very pleased with how this one turned out. And because my dog had a red bandana on in the photo, I wanted to bring that red in a little bit. And so I put a little red heart here. I have a little red center dot here. And then I have a little bit of red on this tag up here. And it just kind of brings your eye so you're not just completely focused in on that red. It's pulled around the layout just a little bit. It makes it easier for my eye to look around the page instead of just focusing in on that pop of red. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here. I will have close-ups of the layout at the end of the video, so if you're interested, stay tuned for those. If you're interested in seeing more layouts like this one, head over to my playlist that is CKC, or which is the Counterfeit Kit Challenge, or the one for October 2022, and it will have all the layouts that I created with my kit for the month of October. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.